Lowe's holiday tool deals are crushing Black Friday prices right now. We've run it up 28 incredible discounts across power tools, hand tools, and workshop essentials that serious DIYers and pros can't ignore. Check the video description below to find direct product links for every deal mentioned today. Lowe's Power Tool Deals. Deal number 28. DeWalt 20-volt Max 2 Tool Brushless Power Tool Combo Kit was $229. Now $149, 35% off. Built for real work and real spaces, this combo delivers compact brushless power perfect for tight corners and overhead jobs. The impact driver pushes 1,700 inch-pounds of torque, while the drill provides consistent everyday power with bright onboard LEDs. Complete with batteries and soft case, it's ready to tackle homeowner projects or professional job sites immediately. Deal number 27. DeWalt XR 20-volt brushless variable speed random orderable cordless sander was $179. Now $129, 28% off. Control meets comfort with this XR sander featuring a brushless motor and variable speed dial for precise finishing. The low-profile design improves precision, while the rubber overmold grip reduces fatigue during extended sanding sessions. Excellent dust collection works with the included bag or connects directly to your vacuum system. Deal number 26. Craftsman V20 20-volt max half-inch keyless cordless drill and driver was $99. Now $59, 40% off. Covering everyday basics without cutting corners, this V20 drill includes 2-speed gearbox and reliable motor power. Quick bit changes happen through the keyless chuck, while the built-in LED illuminates dark workspaces perfectly. Battery and charger included makes this an unbeatable value for new DIYers or homeowners. Deal number 25. Metabo HPT multi-volt 18-volt 18-gauge cordless straight brad nailer was $219. Now $169, 23% off. True pneumatic performance arrives without compressor hassle thanks to the mechanical spring drive system delivering instant firing. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, it stays balanced for overhead work while sinking 2-inch brads cleanly. Up to 700 nails per charge, plus included battery, makes this perfect for trim and molding projects. Deal number 24. Cobalt 24-volt half-inch keyless brushless cordless drill and driver was $149. Now $79, 47% off. Compact feel meets serious power with 850 inch-pounds of torque and 2-speed gearbox reaching 2,000 RPM. Balanced design and soft overmold grip reduce fatigue, while the all-metal Jacobs chuck adds lasting durability. Battery, fast charger, and long warranty included deliver near-pro performance at a massive discount. Deal number 23. Scale Power Core 12-volt brushless 3/8-inch drive cordless impact wrench was $69.98. Now $34.98, 50% off. Punching above its compact size, this impact wrench delivers 200 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque perfectly controlled. 3-speed selector provides smooth power adjustment, while the halo light floods work areas with shadow-free illumination. Perfect for automotive work and tight spaces with a bulky 18 or 20-volt tool weight. Deal number 22. Metabo HPT 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel compound corded miter saw was $349. Now $219, 37% off. Accuracy you can trust comes from the Exact Cut LED shadow line showing exactly where cuts land. The 15-amp motor spins 4,300 RPM for clean cuts, while dual bevel design handles complex angles easily. Surprisingly portable at 44 pounds, with oversized cutting capacity for tall baseboards and wide stock. Deal number 21. Bosch 12-volt max quarter-inch keyless cordless drill and driver was $129. Now $99, 23% off. Compact power shines with a super short 5.6-inch head and 1.4-pound weight, perfect for tight cabinet work. Despite small size, it delivers 265 inch-pounds of torque with 2 speeds and precise clutch control. 2 batteries, charger, and integrated LED make this ideal for installers and electricians. Deal number 20. Bosch quarter-inch 5.6 amp 1 horsepower variable speed fixed base router was $139. Now $99, 29% off. Smooth, controlled cutting arrives in a compact palm router, with variable speed matching RPM to material. Constant response electronics maintain clean cuts under load, while soft start reduces kickback at startup. Aluminum fixed base provides rock-solid stability for edge profiling and detailed woodworking. Deal number 19. Cobalt 6-gallon portable electric 150 psi pancake air compressor with accessory kit was $299, now $199, 33% off. Complete setup for trim work includes oil-free motor, finish nailer, brad nailer, and pin nailer. The 6-gallon tank with dual quick couplers delivers steady performance while remaining easy to start. 25-foot hose included makes this an all-in-one solution for home renovation projects. Deal number 18. Metabo HPT 2-inch 18-gauge pneumatic straight brad nailer was $109, now $69, 37% off. Professional finish work becomes effortless with this 2.2-pound nailer driving 18-gauge brads up to 2 inches. Tool-free depth adjustment dials in perfect nail set, while the no-mar tip protects delicate surfaces. Selectable firing modes and reload indicator prevent dry fires for dependable precision. Deal number 17. Metabo HPT 18-volt variable speed keyless cordless jigsaw, tool only, was $119, now $79, 34% off. Strong cutting performance arrives in a lightweight design, reaching 2,500 strokes per minute with multiple orbital settings. LED light and dust blower maintain cut line visibility, while variable speed trigger provides material-specific control. Weighing just 4.2 pounds with tool-free blade changes and vibration-reducing grip. Deal number 16. DeWalt XR 20-volt max brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool kit, 6-piece, battery and charger included, was $219, now $99, 55% off. Earning its place fast, the brushless motor delivers strong cutting power with noticeably extended runtime. 3-speed selector and dual-grip variable trigger provide excellent control from plunge cuts to sanding tasks. Universal adapter accepts most brand accessories, while the kit includes battery, charger, blades, and bag. Lowe's tool sets, storage, and hand tool deals. Deal number 15. Craftsman 2000 series, 52-inch wide by 38-inch high, 10-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet was $539, now $399, 26% off. Serious storage meets daily shop use with 10 soft closed drawers handling up to 100 pounds each. Heavy-duty steel construction provides 1,500-pound load rating, while large locking casters enable smooth movement. Drawer liners, protective top mat, and secure locking system complete this shop upgrade. Deal number 14. Craftsman 52-inch long by 37.5-inch high, 7-drawer rolling workbench with butcher block top was $549.01, now $349, 36% off. Solid workspace combines with serious storage, featuring thick butcher block top for hands-on projects. Soft closed drawers hold 100 pounds each, while built-in outlets and USB ports eliminate extension cords. Heavy-duty mobile design keeps tools organized and workspace ready for garage projects. Deal number 13. Craftsman VersaStack 242-piece SAE and metric mechanics tool set with hard case was $219, now $99, 55% off. Designed for tight spaces, the low-profile 72-tooth ratchets make cramped engine bays far more manageable. Wide mix of SAE and metric sockets, wrenches, and specialty bits covers nearly every common task. Rugged drawer-style hard case with VersaStack compatibility keeps everything organized and accessible. Deal number 12. Cobalt 302-piece SAE and metric mechanics tool set with 2-drawer hard case was $149, now $99, 34% off. One kit does it all with 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive tools, plus smooth 90-tooth ratchets. Deep mix of sockets, bits, and wrenches handles automotive work and garage projects comprehensively. 2-drawer hard case with labeled slots shows exactly what belongs where, backed by lifetime guarantee. Deal number 11. Craftsman VersaStack 262-piece SAE and metric mechanics tool set with 3-drawer hard case was $249, now $149, 40% off. Keeping your garage running smoothly, low-profile ratchets handle tight spaces, while full coverage handles deep automotive jobs. 3-drawer hard case opens one-handed and locks securely with VersaStack integration for expandable storage. Full lifetime warranty backs this solid long-term investment for home mechanics. Deal number 10. Cobalt 3-piece adjustable wrench set, 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, was $27.98. Now $16.98, 39% off. Covering the sizes you actually reach for most. Extra wide jaws handle SAE and metric fasteners easily. Drop-forged chrome vanadium steel construction provides strength for everyday automotive and maintenance use. Corrosion-resistant chrome finish ensures durability, whether stored in garages or taken to job sites. Deal number 9. Craftsman VersaStack 20-piece SAE and metric mechanics tool set with hard case, was $36.98. Now $19.98, 46% off. Perfect for quick automotive fixes, the low-profile 72-tooth ratchet makes tight spaces much easier. Included sockets and extension cover most common fastener sizes and a compact VersaStack-compatible case. Full lifetime warranty backs this smart, inexpensive emergency and light repair set. Deal number 8. Klein Tools folding utility knife with built-in driver, was $20.98. Now $16.98, 19% off. Built for fewer pocket tools, the blade flicks open smoothly and locks at 135 or 180 degrees. Fold-out driver includes removable 1/4-inch nut driver and number 2 Phillips bit that locks solidly. Compact and thoughtfully designed for electricians and installers who need everyday carry versatility. Deal number 7. Craftsman half-inch drive click torque wrench, 50 to 250 foot-pound range, was $111. Now $69.98, 37% off. Accuracy you can trust, spans 50 to 250 foot-pounds range for automotive and suspension work. Clear stamped torque markings make settings quick to read, while locking adjustment prevents drift. Bi-material handle stays comfortable during longer jobs, meaning ASME specs with durable storage case. Deal number 6. Craftsman 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench, 20 to 100 foot-pound range, was $98. Now $59.98, 39% off. Ideal for precision work, the 20 to 100 foot-pound range handles engine components and brake maintenance perfectly. Click-style mechanism gives clear, confident signals when reaching target torque with comfortable handle control. Durable storage case and ASME specifications make this reliable for tightening things correctly. Deal number 5. Jorgensen 12-inch, 600-pound medium-duty steel bar clamp, was $19.98. Now $11.98, 40% off. Reliable and no nonsense for woodworking glue-ups. The sliding head design adjusts fast in tight spaces. Large grip handle and swivel pad apply steady, even pressure with 12-inch opening capacity. With 2.5-inch reach and 600-pound load limit, hobbyists and pros count on this versatile clamp. Lowe's accessories and essential deals. Deal number 4. Little Giant Ladders Multi-M22 22-foot reach type IA telescoping multi-position ladder, 300-pound load capacity, was $274. Now $174, 36% off. One of the most versatile ladders available, it quickly converts between A-frame, extension, staircase, or 90-degree configurations. Lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum supports 300 pounds on both sides in A-frame mode with easy portability. Rapid lock system provides fast, secure height adjustments, while non-marring feet protect floors and grip confidently. Deal number 3. Craftsman V20 20-volt 4 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery 2-pack, was $149. Now $99, 34% off. Solid upgrade for tired mid-job battery swaps. Each 4.0 ampere-hour pack delivers significantly longer runtime. Built-in LED charge indicators provide instant feedback, while premium cells ensure stronger output and longer life. Fully compatible with entire Craftsman V20 lineup for easy productivity boost. Deal number 2. DeWalt 12-inch tungsten carbide-tipped miter saw blade set, 40-tooth and 80-tooth, 2-pack, was $69.98. Now $59.98, 14% off. Getting the right blade for the job becomes simple with 40-tooth handling rough cuts and 80-tooth delivering smooth finishes. Ultra-sharp carbide tips and optimized tooth geometry ensure accuracy and longer blade life consistently. Smart pickup for miter saw owners wanting versatility and clean performance in one convenient set. Deal number 1. Craftsman 20-volt cordless 3-in-1 air inflator, was $89. Now $44, 50% off. Handling tires, sports gear, and inflatables, The digital gauge presets PSI and auto shuts at target pressure. Built-in vacuum and blower functions add versatility for quick cleanups with onboard accessory storage. Runs on V20 battery or 12-volt car adapter, making it perfect for garage and road trips. That wraps up our 28 top Lowe's holiday tool deals, beating Black Friday prices. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss Valid Consumer's next money-saving roundup. All product links are waiting in the description below. Thanks for watching.